This is the Mariyung D set, the newest addition to Sydney's Intercity fleet. Today we'll be going on a trip from Woy Woy from here at Epping to deliver a review on these new trains. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so if you like this kind of content, do let me know. Now let's get on board. Right as soon as we enter, the train already boasts a fresh, modern interior. The train features 2x2 fixed seating and 3x1 at each end. As you can see, there is a luggage rack right here. Unlike the V sets, they don't have overhead luggage racks. The train features Waratah-style passenger information screens, which look like this. At the ends of each carriage there are wheelchair spaces, which feature fold-up seats as well as 2 extra priority seats for those who need it. The fold-up chairs themselves are also priority seats. Like other intercity trains, Mariyungs feature quiet carriages and regular carriages. Quiet carriages require minimal chat and headphones or no volume devices. At each door there are emergency help points and door release mechanisms, as well as lots of security cameras. The train uses a new style of announcements which is similar to the metro announcements. They also tell you which side the doors will open in the direction of travel, which is something no other heavy rail service has. The passenger information displays also have new modes, which include listing the destination, rolling the list of stations like the Waratah Series 2 trains, and a map which locates all the amenities. Additionally, there is this cool animation which honors the train's name of Mariyung. I'll let you watch it. The priority seats have an emergency help point, and every seat on the train has a USB-A plug and a Type 1 plug socket. The seat itself is a high-back style and features a leather headrest which is great for sleeping on, and comfy vinyl seat covers. These are orange for priority and grey for regular. All seats except vestibule seats have tray tables, which feature an indented cup holder. The tray table can just about fit an average laptop and plenty of space for an average sized lunch meal. Between each seat on the 2x2 rows is a coat hook, which is something new. Each 4-car set has a fully accessible unisex bathroom. The bathroom features a hand dryer, tap, soap, and sink. As well as a bin and baby change table. There are plenty of handrails to grip, and door controls to open, close, lock, and unlock the door. These are complemented by audible announcements and braille. There are 2 coat hooks and accessibility features. There is a lift-up toilet, emergency help point, and toilet paper. And a needle disposal bin. To flush, there is a button to do so. Finally, there's a mirror above the sink. In the vestibule, instead of the traditional pole, there is a new ring handrail on the ceiling. There are also metro-style grips along the priority seating area. The train also features 2 bike racks in one 8-car set. Outside the train there is an external passenger display which tells the destination, route and next stop. There are also markings on the carriages which tell you what feature is in them. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future videos. Additionally, as always, feel free to provide feedback in the comments. Thanks and goodbye for now.